Hello everyone, I am Uluwapelumi Aroshaye. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can export your Power BI reports to PDF. So as you can see on my screen, I have this report and my manager is requesting that I export it to PDF, that she wants to see it in PDF. So how can I do that in Power BI desktop? This is very straightforward. So what I just need to do is to go to the File tab, and then when I go to the File tab, I'm going to see an option called Export. So I click on Export. So I have two options here: Power BI template or Export to PDF. I'm interested in Export to PDF, so I click on Export to PDF, and this will convert my Power BI report to PDF for me. So let's wait while it loads. So now I have my report in PDF, so I can then save this on my laptop and then send it to my manager. So this is how you can export your Power BI report on Power BI desktop to PDF. I hope you learned something new in this video. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel.